Good evening. We are currently witnessing a level of uncertainty from the COVID 19 situation that none of us have faced in our lifetime. There is no past experience relating to such a pandemic, or for that matter, anything else to guide us. So, how do we negotiate the right pathway? How do we exercise leadership that is effective? We, due to our innate survival instinct, follow a herd mindset. A mindset formed by what we read, what we hear, the ubiquitous social media of today. Our COVID 19 pandemic mindset is thus wholly focused on the containment strategies of the spreading viral infection, how to flatten the medical curve, so to say, and gain more time before we as a species could fight back using some vaccine under development. And nothing wrong with that. Now, let us talk of leadership and effectiveness. What makes leaders effective is that they see, comprehend, and thus engage with the same situation differently, different to all of us, as if they see and come to live in a different world. The COVID 19 Warrior Leadership would review the ensuing economic recession curves arising out of the containment strategy based infection curve and determine an optimal balance. Let us now explore the effect of the COVID 19 lockdown on the business and economic cycles. As we can see, several links in the cycle would get disrupted and are shown by crosses in red. The general mindset arising out of this would be to hoard, avoid spending, and avoid investments. All this, as we realize, would further exacerbate the situation. A COVID warrior leadership, in contrast, would be visualizing new and innovative policies and funding methods to remove the prevailing blocks. So, what could you do to develop yourself so that you gain the ability to exercise a COVID 19 warrior leadership effectively in an increasingly volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous world? I give here some pointers. First, do you have clarity about a future that others cannot yet see? How could you communicate this future simply without being simplistic? Second, what I call as dilemma flipping. How could you turn dilemmas into opportunities? Immersive learning. Do you have the ability to learn in a first person way, viz, on the court rather than from the stands? Fourth, bioempathy. Could you inculcate, for example, the ability to see things from nature's patterns and use that wisdom? And finally, smart mob organizing. Do you have the ability to engage and nurture social change networks through intelligent use of electronic and other media? I invite you to first answer the above questions and then act upon them. Should you do that, I would guarantee that you would be well on your way to becoming a COVID 19 warrior leader. In case you like this video, do press the like button and share it onwards. Should you wish to engage with me further, you may write to me at empathinco.in@gmail.com. You may also wish to browse the empathinco.in website, which contains a wealth of related material. So, goodbye for now. Stay well and stay safe. from the